As Big Bang Theory ended in the late 2010s, how about a sequel that's also a crossover where the nerds go on the pioneer mission in Robotech II The Sentinels as scientists, and their constant lust and mental issues cause annoyance for the Robotech Cast? In one episode, one of them is captured by the Invid and experimented on, and when they save him, he's cyberized to have machinery installed and can't use his hands on his parts as his hands are metal, and can't make love as his torso is part metal and hurts from the points. Probably Howard. Also, Sheldon is a factor in T.R. Edwards' Rising, and Howard is in charge of designing new mechs, but makes them look like busty chicks. Their kids are on board and grow with the alien kids, and Sheldon is constantly bugging the aliens for info about their home worlds. Raj tries to seduce the Amazon planet women, and they hate how weak and sissy the Big Bang guys are. Also, Sheldon freaks out and nearly turns Christian again at the devilish-looking Puritans. Leonard tries to get Penny a role in a Minmay thing, but Minmay hates Penny for being really dirty. Amy and Sheldon get along with the Haydenites and get cyberized to be like them by getting their minds put into Haydenite bodies. Also, during the Reef Civil War, the nerds split up on who to side with and end up fighting each other. On one episode of Big Bang Theory where Leonard's mom returns, it disturbs Leonard. Sheldon says he wants to have a planet called Sheldon Alpha 5 to rule, which works with Sheldon siding with Edwards, who was teaming up with the Invid and wanted the rule, so maybe Edwards would let Sheldon have one of the planets taken over in his pact with the Invid Regent. On one of the episodes of Big Bang Theory, they go to the North Pole to find magnetic monopoles, but in Robotech II The Sentinels, the space-full generators are damaged, so they need to mine for magnetic monopole ore on the giant planet Fatoma. Also, Bernetta is gradually devolving into Howard's mom from his DNA in her pregnancy, and eventually she's left for the Invid to have, who devolve her in the Genesis pits, and she's some kind of pig slug now. Also, Dr. Lang can't take Sheldon, which drives him further into Edwards, and he has a grudge against Rick and Lisa for siding with Lang and sabotages their efforts. Also, the nerds are jealous of Vince Grant being an alpha male and often befoul their rooms when thinking of the chicks like Lisa, Minmay, Karen, Janice when their wives are busy.